Welcome back to the channel, guys. This time we're going to try something a little bit different with this. A WL-Toys 144001 chassis. We've got the sand tyres that were kindly donated to us by RC. So, in the last video, which we'll leave a link for in the description and at the end screen, the ESC had the magic smoke of death. So we've got rid of that, that's gone. It's got me thinking, we've got a couple of bits lying around, why not try something a bit crazy? So what we're going to do, take the spoiler off. We're going to add a 6S 70mm EDF fan out of an old plane. That's going to go up on the top of the spoiler there. We need to get the thrust angle right on it, obviously. We're going to run a 6S ESC. And we've also got a nice small 6S pack that will fit very nicely in the side of the car there. So, that is the plan. So we need to get this spoiler off. I'm not going to go crazy 3D printing brackets and things like that just for an experiment. We'll simply take the spoiler off. I have to say it, we're going to bodge that on there and we're going to test it out. If it works, we'll get my brother at What Corp Designs to 3D print us a nice mount and we'll see how it goes. Let's do it. Right, soldered in the ESC. I had to add a separate little pack for the receiver to power the receiver and the servo because this ESC hasn't got back on it. So basically the LiPo is not feeding back power through the battery eliminator to the receiver. So we've sorted that out. So let's get a 6S pack. A really nice small 6S pack there, guys. So we'll plug that in. Hope it doesn't blow up on my hand. Okay, I'll hold it for a second. So, have we got steering? Yes. Here we go. Wow. I think that's enough thrust, guys. So we're going to need a pretty hefty fixing on there, a lot stronger than I initially anticipated. So I'm going to get some ideas figured out for that, and we get that fixed on. I can't wait to try this. It's going to be wild. Check back in a minute, guys. Right. I think I've done it, guys. I've managed to get the original body back on there. See that? We've got the big 70mm 6S EDF. There's a 6S pack in there. Let's try it. Wow. Will it even move? This is the first trial. Let's have a look. Yes, it will. Right. So the next step then, I better show you what I've done. Do you want to bring the camera closer in, Milesy boy? Okay, so in there, we've got the Dumbo receiver. We've got a little 2S pack there that's powering the receiver. We've got a 6S Opto ESC from an old plane strapped to the back. And we've got a big 6S pack there that's powering it. So I can't wait to get that in there. I said I was going to bodge it on there, but I've actually managed to drill it and screw it onto the existing wing mount. So it does actually look half tidy. So we're going to get that battery charged up and we take it out on the street and Miles can show you if it even works. Catch you in a minute. That's what I've taken out, guys. Pointless having a motor in there causing all that drag on there because we've already got the EDF on there. Loads of screws from the various brackets. Obviously the rear wing and the wing mount is off. That there was just a little section that was in the back holding onto the spur gear, and we've taken the centre drive shaft out. I was going to take all 4 drive shafts out because again they're causing more drag through the diffs, but I could only get one out because all the other ones, they've got universal joints in there, so it does run very, very free. It's literally like a roller now, so hopefully the EDF will push it along all right. So we are outside. Miles has got what we think is the world's first EDF jet-powered 6S WL-Toys little buggy. So let's see what it can do. Okay, we're giving it a bit of a speed run, guys. Here it comes. 6S, 70mm fan. Oh, he's crashed it, he's crashed it. Here it comes, guys. Listen to that EDF screaming. For all that noise, you think it would go a bit quicker. Still, something different though. Good laugh.